Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to hand Jive grease, updated. Warm a pea-sized amount between your palms and rub into the heel and ball of the hand using small circular motions until absorbed. Focus on knuckles and cuticle edges to prevent stiffness and peel. Use a light touch and reapply after washing hands or exposure to cold air. Store the tin in a cool spot away from direct heat and use daily for best results. Start by choosing a grease with natural oils and beeswax for skin-friendly protection. Patch test a small area to check for reactions before full use. Apply thin layers to avoid greasy residue and let each layer set for a minute. Avoid contact with open wounds and keep away from eyes. For heavy-duty protection, pair with gloves during repetitive tasks and wash hands gently with mild soap when done. Replace product if texture or smell changes. Quick recommendation: if you're enjoying this, please subscribe and like to support more helpful guides. I also want to mention a useful read I keep by my bench, a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, which pairs oddly well with practical routines. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Apply grease after washing and fully drying hands to lock in moisture. Use circular motions for the heel and back of hand, then smooth across palms and fingers. Allow 1 to 2 minutes for full absorption before handling fabric or tools. Reapply lightly after heavy washing or long exposure to cold, wind, or solvents. Clean tools with warm soapy water and tighten the tin lid to prevent contamination between uses.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.